It was important for us to bring this group to see this so that they could have firsthand knowledge of exactly what goes into the manufacturing of Singular products so that they can spread the word. This first group who came out here to visit our manufacturer now knows just exactly how safe, efficacious, well-sourced and manufactured Singular products are. And when you see Singular on the box, on the label, you can know that this is high quality and that these are world-class products.
My first impression when I got here was just, wow, this place is phenomenal. It's huge for one thing, but over 800 employees take part in this fabulous company that we have to make these products, and I learned so much today.
When I came here, I really wanted to see what the process was. You know, how confident can I be in that we are providing the best products for our customers? And that was my main goal in coming here. And like I said, it far exceeded that goal.
Our manufacturing facilities are 100% FDA approved. They are inspected by the FDA constantly. So you are getting highest quality products at a great value, that you're ensuring that you are getting the value from your products that you expect, and you're getting the safest products you can possibly expect.
I wholeheartedly know that the products that we are putting in our bodies from Singular are without a doubt the most world-class that we could have, from the finest ingredients to where they're manufactured to how they're produced, and just all the research and everything that goes into them.
Like, we have something for everybody. It's not just weight loss, but we have something for everybody.
They just double check every possible thing to make sure we're going to get the best product possible.
We've experienced some really powerful information from our manufacturing facility, but they work very, very close with us on the innovation that our company comes up together. As we lock arms with our XPAC, our Singular Product Advisory Council, and we discuss products for the future, we're right on top of the technology. We're right on top of what other things are coming to the marketplace. And what's really powerful is that when new ingredients come up, that manufacturing, that facility comes to us and say, hey, we found something new. Or contrary, if any other member of our XPAC comes and says, hey, we found something new, we are all ears. We're going to listen, and we're going to go and take those products and we're going to develop them into new, exciting, innovative products to continue to give us an opportunity in the marketplace to differentiate ourselves and provide a unique selling proposition.
So get out there and share our products with more people and give them what they're looking for, a better health and a better way to the future.